Hi friends, hope all of you are doing well. Friends, welcome to English for Presentations Part 2. Friends, in Part 1 of the video, I talked to you about how you should make your introduction, how you should talk about your topic, how you should give a summary or your presentation flow, and how you should let the audience know how you will be taking questions. Now, in this part of the presentation, which is Part 2, I will talk to you about the phrases you can use when you have to refer to some slides or graphics and how to talk about cause and effect. So let's get started. Now friends, if you are making a PowerPoint presentation, chances are that you will have to refer to some pie charts, some bar charts, some maps or tables. Now here are some of the phrases which you can use to refer to some slides or graphics. The first one, this slide shows a map of the area in which we plan to start 2 more showrooms. Now that is just an example I've given, but the phrase out here is this slide shows. Another one which you can use, looking at this slide, we can see that the number of people returning products has decreased significantly in the past year. 3. As you can see from this slide, sales are gradually increasing among customers aged 18 to 24. So these are 3 phrases which you can use to refer to slides when you're referring to slides or graphics. Now let's move on to understand cause and effect. Now friends, during a presentation, there is a possibility that you might have to make a connection between your ideas, especially cause and effect. Now, please remember that the cause always comes first and it is followed by the effect. For example, if a cricket game is cancelled, the rain is the cause and the cancellation is the effect. Now, you might have to make such a connection during a presentation. What are some of the phrases or sentences you can use? Number 1, the reason is that the last 3 issues of the newsletter have been published late. The reason is that there have been delays in printing. This is due to our processing time has gotten 30% faster. This is due to improvements in the software. Since the employees went home early since there was no more work to do. So these are 3 phrases which you can use to describe causes. Something else which you can use to describe causes is because and because of. But here you need to remember the rule. The difference is that because is followed by a subject plus verb and because of is followed by a noun. Let's take an example. The game was cancelled because it was raining. Because is followed by it, which is a subject. Was raining is a verb. Second example. The game was cancelled because of the rain. Now because of is followed by the rain, which is a noun. So I hope that is clear. You can use because and because of, but just remember this general rule. So those are some of the phrases to describe cause and effect, causes. Now let's move on to describe effects. Now these are some of the phrases you can use to describe effects. Therefore, this product is more expensive to produce. Therefore, the profit margins are lower. Consequently, which is more formal, the company didn't get the proper construction permit. Consequently, we had to pay a fine for the non-compliance. As a result, we've invested in better safety equipment and the number of accidents has gone down as a result. So, the advertisements was so successful, so now we plan to expand the program. So these are some of the phrases and words which can use to describe effects. Now please remember that the words therefore and consequently are typically used at the beginning of a sentence. As a result can be used at the beginning or the end of a sentence, and the word so is typically used in the middle of a sentence. So these are some of the rules to be followed when you use these words to describe effects. So friends, that is the end of this video. If you have found value in this video, please give me a like, please subscribe to my channel, and please do press the bell. And very soon I'll be coming with the last part, which is going to be part 3 of English for Presentation Skills. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.